Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very exciting for you. This is the latest lash from MoxiLash, and this one is the 10 Magnet Lash. So when this came out, they were sending me an email and I looked up a video from theirs and it looked pretty promising, right? So of course I had to have it. So the lash that I picked was the Wifey Lash. And I picked this one because I had originally got the Wifey Lash, which I do have on right now, but this is the 5 Magnet Lash. So I was very excited about this one initially. But then when I got it, I noticed that it had this like funky business going on. Like I literally, it's weird. I did show you in my last video what it was doing, but it kind of has this weird like up, down thing going on. Like, I don't know. But I think it's because of the way that the magnet is and the lash strip. So the lash strip is a little bit flimsy on this one, and then in between the magnets, it looks like it's going up. So I'm going to try to give you a close-up. All right, so I'm going to try to explain this, but you see this gap? It's kind of where the lash is like going up and down. So when you're wearing it, it's not full, complete. And you can see them kind of a little bit here, but not as well. So kind of like it's really off-putting for me, but they came out with this 10 Magnet Lash, and when I was looking at it in the pictures, it did not have this funky business going on. So I bought it and I want to share it with you. Well, actually it's a 9 Magnet Lash now because I had to, you know, chop one off. So it's very gorgeous. They also offer this one in the Sassy Lash and the Money Lash. So there's only 3 lashes right now that come with the 10 Magnet Lash. So I think they're kind of like testing out the waters to see if we like it or not. I'm just gonna put the 10 Magnet Lash on for you, just so you can see the difference. I've said it before, but the MoxieLash eyeliner is super duper strong and I literally love it. The only thing is the last time I wore it, my eyelids started swelling. So I've been like scared to wear it, but that was after I had rubbed off a MoxieLash liner and then I put on this liner. So I don't know if it was because I was already irritating my eyes, but I'm wearing it today and I don't really notice too much of a swelling. So we'll have to see. And these are super easy to interchange. Okay, so this is the 5 Magnet Lash. I did just want to give you a very good, nice close-up of it. If you can see that up down property of it, that is part of the lash. Here is the very anticipated 10 Magnet Lash. Like, wow, that is gorgeous. And it doesn't have that weird up down property. Like, holy crap, it's exactly like it is supposed to be. First though, we gotta reapply a little bit. And I do wanna show you guys how I do this. I basically just use a different eyeliner pen. You have to do this. If you don't do this, it's going to get all over your eyelashes and it is going to be a mess for you. I'm just going to fill in some of the gaps here. Oh, but anyhow, guys, so the story that I wanted to tell you is that when I first wore this 10 Magnet Lash, well now 9 Magnet Lash, because I had to cut one off just because it's a little bit too long for my eye, I went to Target and I used the Glamnetic felt tip eyeliner because it's super easy to use. Just like you put it on very fast and you're done. Like you don't need an extra tool. It doesn't get all over your eyelashes. Like it's so fast, but it does not have that strong of a hold. You have to use anchors. I mean, I've heard some people not use anchors, but I don't know what they're doing. And like, they're magicians, okay? That being said, I still like it and I will still use it with anchors. Anyhow, so this is like super easy. I just put it on with the brush and it gives me a really nice line. I do, however, put on a different eyeliner first This one I just used Mally eyeliner in shadow because it's not like super dark, and then the eyeliner can go right over it and it gives me a good little outline. All right, let's get this one on. That is exactly what I love about the MoxiLash eyeliner. It's so strong. It literally, like, the camera ran out of battery, but literally, like, when I put on this MoxiLash, I feel it like snap, basically. Like when you hear magnetic lashes snapping to the eyeliner, this is what it does. Wow, guys, I can tell you I am in love with this little wifey lash. This is the experience that I wanted to have when I first bought these lashes, but like I said, it had that other kind of business thing, whatever thing going on with it that I did not like, and I didn't actually think it looked that great on, but these are perfect and there's no problem with the hold. I forgot to tell you that when I was showing you them, the magnet size is very tiny, super tiny compared to the bigger one. Now in comfort rating though, when I was actually wearing these for a longer time, I felt like I could feel some of it. So guys, these are super duper comfortable. Like, I'm closing my eyes, I don't feel them, but I do have to say that when I initially bought them and they had the 10 magnets, when it's too long, it does kind of pinch your outside of your eye. So I would say definitely cut them. Don't be afraid to cut them either. These ones I cut from the inside because the inside is a lot shorter. So I wanted to keep more of the longer lash look going instead of cutting off the longer ends. But I do have to say that at least for this wifey lash, the 10 magnet is the way to go because it gives you the real lash. It doesn't give you this weird thing that's happening with it, and it's definitely a beautiful lash for everyday wear. So I would literally wear this to work and it looks so gorgeous that I think that if some people might be looking at it, they might not even know these are like fake lashes. Yeah. Wow guys, they do just look gorgeous. You see how it's just not too crazy? Like, I can look up to the ceiling. It's like perfect. It's not like going past my eyebrows. It just looks very natural to me. Like, oh my god. But what I was trying to tell you is that, did I like not tell you this whole story? What happened was I went to Target and I was with my boyfriend and I wore these lashes with the Magnetic felt tip eyeliner. So I love the Magnetic felt tip eyeliner because it's super easy to use, but you have to use them with the anchors. Well, anyhow, so I was in Target and I was just like having so much faith in the Magnetic eyeliners, right? And the felt tip eyeliner. Well, when I got out of Target, I noticed that the inside of my lash was like going just like straight, and it was like coming off my eyeball and it was super noticeable, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed for my boyfriend because he was with me and like my eyebrows looked all, or my eyelashes looked all crazy. Like, what the heck? Yeah, I mean, but let's be real, like he probably didn't even notice. I noticed though, so like I was embarrassed. But definitely these are amazing and they still hold. You can still do like this crazy test, you know, like this is magical. I do definitely recommend these. I think that if you went with the Sassy Lash or the Money Lash for the 10 magnet lash, I don't necessarily think you need to. These have just as strong of a hold in them. Really, they do. You know, you don't really need this 10 magnet lash, so don't be sad if you already bought these in the regular like 5 magnet lash. But I think for the wifey lash, the way that it's like aestheticness in this one, you know, is so much better than the 5 magnet lash because it just doesn't lay as nice. Okay guys, before I end, there is one more thing I want to discuss with you, but before I do, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, I want to thank you guys all very much for watching. We are now past 100 subscribers. I am going to be doing a giveaway for you guys, so make sure that you are definitely following me on my Instagram and that you are subscribed to my channel. I will be giving away the details soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Alright, bye.